Giraffe crossing. Watch out. Good morning. It's Monday morning. We are on our way into town. We're going to go to a resort and get some Wi-Fi. So we're gonna go hang out. Whee! We're with Team Hallelujah. So we have Emily and Vivian with us, and then the rest of our team. But yeah, it should be a good day. We're gonna get some Wi-Fi, talk to our families, and see some animals. Zebras! They're so cool! They're right there! Wow! This is awesome. This is Africa. This is the area that we're staying in for the day. We're getting Wi-Fi and such, so it's gorgeous. And there are zebras. Wow! What a dream! Mom, don't worry, I got a selfie. So, selfie with the zebra. Wow. It's gotten really close. If I don't move, maybe it'll come up to me. Alrighty, so we just talked to our families. We got on Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi wasn't super great, but that's okay. And now we are adventuring to go look for animals. We're looking for giraffes and baboons and all kinds of fun
baboons.
stuff.
Not looking for baboons.
I'd like to see a baboon. Oh, we're gonna get run over by a car. I'm gonna stand right here. Hello.
Hello.
But we're adventuring for animals in Africa. Basically on a safari at a resort.
There are 2 zebras. We saw 2 of them.
Yes.
That's so neat.
We found a giraffe. We found a giraffe. He's right there. Giraffe selfie. That's happening. Yeah, it is. So we were gonna walk back to the other resort, and then we got like maybe 2 minutes in, and one of the guy who took us over to this resort stopped and picked us up and brought us over to the giraffes. So, oh, poop, zebra poop, and also, like, no big deal. There's a zebra right back here, right there. Yeah, you know, walk in. What? Oh wow! Oh wait, don't run! You're gonna get like trampled. We found a giraffe. And you can see the falls. It is so incredible. We're on our way to Victoria Falls! Woo! We made it to Zimbabwe! We just crossed the border and we're heading into the park soon. far?
It's amazing. It's so beautiful and wet and green. It's pretty.
We just walked through a rainforest. It's quite literally raining, and so we're all really wet. But that was so cool. I need to get a cover for my phone so that won't get ruined. So awesome. I can't even begin to tell you how gorgeous it is. This video is not gonna do it justice. Also, it's raining because of the mist from the falls. This is incredible. I am so incredibly excited that we did this. But this is so cool. We are crossing over the border. We have spent all day over in Zimbabwe, and we are on the bridge that connects Zimbabwe and Zambia. And if you look this way, you'll see a bunch of bungee jumpers. There they are. But yeah, so we're taking it in, walking across the bridge. It's been a really good day.
Where's your phone?
Oops, excuse me. It's been a really great day, but time to go home.